Mindless scrolling through social media without a specific purpose or goal in mind is often characterized by a lack of awareness of the passage of time and can lead to spending hours on social media without realizing it. In this video, I will not give you tips like delete apps or use time tracking apps, which doesn't work. I will give you value advices to stop mindless scrolling that actually works. We all know the feeling of opening a social media app with the intention of spending just a few minutes, only to find ourselves still scrolling an hour later. Mindless scrolling can be a form of procrastination or a way to pass the time, but it can also be a source of stress and anxiety, particularly if we compare ourselves to others on social media or become addicted to the constant stimulation of digital content. Mindless scrolling can often control us because it taps into some of the fundamental aspects of human psychology. It's a common problem in today's digital age, but fortunately, there are some effective strategies that can help us stop mindless scrolling. And a first method is to use productivity apps. There are many free productivity apps available that can help you reduce mindless scrolling and stay focused on your work. One of the benefits of productivity apps is that they can be customized to suit your individual needs and preferences. They can help you stay accountable to your goals. Many apps allow you to set goals and track your progress over time, giving you a sense of achievement and motivation to continue working towards your dreams. Overall, productivity apps can be powerful tools in helping you break the habit of mindless scrolling and develop more productive and intentional habits around technology use. With so many different apps available, it's worth experimenting to find the ones that work best for you and your unique needs. Here is a list of some popular productivity apps. Second tip is to look for alternative activities. This will not only stop mindless scrolling, but also reduce the screen time, which is a time killer and makes us unsatisfied with our life. Effective way is to replace scrolling through socials with other activities that are more engaging and fulfilling. By finding activities that you enjoy and that provide a sense of accomplishment or relaxation, you can create a more balanced relationship with technology and reduce your reliance on mindless scrolling. Finding activities that are more engaging and fulfilling can be a personal and unique process. However, here are some general tips to help you find activities that are a good fit for you. Explore your interests. Think about the activities that you enjoy and find fulfilling. What are your hobbies or passions? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Make a list of these activities and consider how you might incorporate them into your daily routine. Try new things. Be open to trying new activities that you've never done before. This can be a great way to discover new interests and hobbies and expand your skills and knowledge. Consider your values. Think about the things that are important to you and align with your values. For example, if you value community and connection, consider activities that involve socializing with others. If you value creativity, consider activities that allow you to express yourself in a creative way. Look for activities that provide a sense of accomplishment. Activities that provide a sense of accomplishment can be particularly fulfilling. Consider activities that allow you to set goals and track your progress over time, such as learning a new skill or completing a project. Reflect on your needs. Consider your physical and emotional needs when choosing activities. For example, if you need to reduce stress, consider activities like yoga or meditation that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Last method is to disable notifications. Notifications are a major source of distraction and can easily pull you away from your work or other important activities. Review your notifications. Take a few minutes to review the notifications you receive on your phone, computer, or tablet. Which ones are necessary and which ones are not? Which apps or services are sending the most notifications? Use this information to determine which notifications to disable. Many devices have a Do Not Disturb mode that allows you to turn off notifications during specific times of the day. For example, you could set your phone to Do Not Disturb mode during work hours to avoid distractions. By disabling unnecessary notifications and minimizing the distractions caused by notifications, you can reduce your reliance on mindless scrolling and improve your focus and productivity. Remember, the goal is to create a more intentional and mindful relationship with technology so that you can use it in a way that supports your goals and priorities. In conclusion, mindless scrolling is a widespread problem in our modern digital age. The constant availability of social media, news, and other forms of digital content can make it challenging to stay focused and productive. However, by implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can reduce your reliance on mindless scrolling and create a more intentional and mindful relationship with technology. To recap, the strategies discussed in this video include setting goals and boundaries, using productivity apps, seeking alternative activities, disabling notifications, and practicing mindfulness. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can reduce the amount of time you spend mindlessly scrolling and increase the time you spend engaged in activities that are fulfilling and meaningful. Remember, finding the right balance between technology and other aspects of your life is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to experiment with different strategies, be patient with yourself, and stay committed to your goals. By doing so, you can create a more intentional and fulfilling life that is free from the distractions and negative effects of mindless scrolling.